my name is Antoine Basquiera. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Early Metrics, which is a rating agency dedicated to startup and SMEs. And our role is to help decision makers from the corporate world to properly engage with startup and SMEs in order to fulfill their innovation strategy. For us, igniting a collaboration with Capgemini was a way to match two complementary approaches, where Capgemini has all the capacity to do tailoring for its client, whereby Early Metrics brings more startup expertise and our capacity to benchmark companies and to find companies that are relevant to Capgemini client. So I would say everyone brings to the table something different. We bring the expertise on the startup ecosystem, and they bring access to client, and most of all that capacity to tailor what they are doing with each client. I would say that for a long time the public sector has been a bit isolated from innovation topic because they were seen as a too large entity and even a bit more old school. And I think that Capgemini is also taking a role of having these large public sector clients also collaborating with startups the same way private sector clients are collaborating with startups. So I would say that they bring an IT expertise and they bring them a bit also some evolution in terms of mindset in order to bring this public sector giant with small players that they are not always used to work with. So IT knowledge, long-term relationship, because Capgemini has long-term relationship with most of these public sector clients, and then of course also some mindset evolutions. So for us, being in partnership with Capgemini was also a way to speed up our commercial development here in the UK, whereby thanks to that partnership we can concentrate on delivering our work, and Capgemini is helping us that much in terms of all the commercial effort. So for us, I would say it's a strong leverage toward a big UK client, including a public sector, which is usually quite difficult for a company our size to directly access. So it's good not only in terms of quantity, but also in order to target some specific segments, including public sector, that we couldn't address directly with our own commercial sales force.
So I think there are two ways companies can be more innovative, especially the big corporate ones. I think the first one is to work with more startups, more innovative companies themselves. I think they can bring much more new ideas to the table and work with the corporates in order to integrate and implement those ideas. I think the second way companies can be more innovative is by doing internal innovation themselves. So if they do have a culture of innovation, specifically for more industrial companies, they should definitely promote internal innovators, internal entrepreneurs, so entrepreneurs. Support them, provide them with the good resources, and then go on and develop new products. So future trends emerging, that's always a very good question. I think there's one big trend that's going to emerge, and that's in relations with IoT technology, but for big technologies, so say transportation and IoT, I think, or medicine and IoT. I think so far IoT has been seen as a specific type of industry, very much focused on the end consumer, and I think the big corporates are going to integrate more IoT within their own products. So that's one first big trend. I think the second big trend that we'll see coming is in relations to clean tech. I think we haven't explored yet the big changes that clean tech can bring to our day-to-day lives. I think so far it's been very, very industrial. So I think not only the big corporates will work on more industrial clean tech products, but I think the end consumer clean tech products will be an interesting development as well.